Wishing you all a very happy Makar Sankranti. Festivities in India are incomplete without sweets, right? These tiny sugar-coated gram flour balls are apt for prasad during festivals or as a sweet munch after meals. Today I am here to share sweet bundi recipe. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You're watching MasalaKorb with me, Padma. Let's get started with the recipe. Sift chickpea flour and rice flour into a bowl. To this add salt, a pinch of cooking soda. You can also add in some turmeric or any food color to give it a festive look. Transfer to a bowl and add water little by little to make a smooth batter. The batter should be slightly thick and not runny. This is the crucial step. Basically, if you put your finger into the batter, it should come out with the batter as well as slowly drop down. Heat oil over medium heat for deep frying bundi. Take a perforated ladle as shown. Hold it over the oil and pour a ladle full of batter and spread as shown in the video, or just tap it. The bundi will fall drop by drop. In case the bundi forms long tails, it means that the batter consistency is not right. So first correct that and then proceed. Fry bundi just for few seconds. The bundi shouldn't become too crisp or it shouldn't be too soft. It takes approximately 90 seconds to get the right texture. Drain and set them aside. Continue to make bundi with the rest of the batter. Just make sure that the oil has to be hot enough before making next batch of bundi. Now let's make the sugar syrup. For this, dissolve sugar in some water and bring it to a boil until you get a one-string consistency. To test this, you can take some water in a small bowl and add few drops of the syrup. Syrup should separate to a soft ball and not combine with water. So when you take the spoon from the syrup and see the last drop falling, it should form a single string. Add a few saffron strands. Mix well and add cardamom powder, a pinch of edible camphor, also known as pachakarpuram, and nutmeg powder. Add only a pinch of camphor or you'll get a bitter taste. At this point, turn off the heat and add the bundi to the sugar syrup. Mix well and let it cool down completely. Initially, they will be sticky and gooey, but once they cool down, the sugar coating will crystallize and the bundi will separate. Sweet bundi can be eaten fresh or can be stored in an airtight container to serve later. You can store it for about a week or even up to 10 days. But don't worry, they will be gone in no time. They are so addicting and I bet you can't stop munching on them. Toast a few cashews and raisins in some ghee and fry until golden brown. Raisins are optional, I haven't added them. Add fried cashews and raisins and mix well. If you're wondering how I got the red color bundi, I haven't added any color. I just dipped a few bundi into strawberry syrup and removed them. Surprisingly, they did taste good. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.